Hello, you are welcome to this video. We are going to be learning how to fold for flowers. The basic folding for flowers is what we are going to learn right now. So let's get started. So for every flower, you are basically going to start with a square shaped paper, whatever the dimension might be, whatever the size might be, it must be squared. Like this one I'm holding here now is 6 inches by 6 inches square. So what I really want to teach you here now is how to fold basically for flowers. Majority of the flowers are folded in this pattern. So how do we start? You start by folding from one angle to the opposite angle, like this. You align. Okay, when I align, then you fold the remaining parts, after which you now fold this way. Can I come again? I see that. You fold the opposite side, then you fold from the right to the left side. Can you see that? So when you fold twice like this, you are going to observe something. This is what you should observe. We are going to have this, we are folded twice. We are folded 1, 2. Now the third time you are going to fold, we have one side here. You are going to fold this side. Can you see? It has 2. Alright? Now I have 2 open hand here. One is coming forward and the other one is going backward. That is it, okay? It's as simple as that. I hope it's clear, okay? If you don't understand, you can repeat this video again and again to understand it better, okay? I want you to understand this. I want you to be carried along in every step. Remember, I told you this one will come forward and the other side will go back, okay? Then we have this. Now we have 3 folding. Let me come again. Can you see? We fold one angle opposite each other. 1. Can you see that? Then you fold this side right to the left. Can you see that? Then when you have that, you have 2. You see, you have an open side. You see, the other sides are closed, only the open side. Then you fold here forward and you fold the other one backward. So now at this point, you now look at your 3 sides, because we are always having triangle. Now the 3 angles that you have here, you need to take note of something, which is one angle is open. Can you see? 2 angles are opened now. Can you see? But let's see. Let's look at the 3rd angle. You can see it's closed. It's not open. You can't open here. Now this angle that is not opened, you hold it down. Okay. Now you can turn right or left, but what I want you to get is that you make sure that the closed angle is downwards, and if it's downwards, looking at this shape now, you can see that we have the longest side. Here, the longest side is standing straight this way, okay? Now, we have this side here, and we have another side. This is the top side, and this is the down small side. The 2 small sides, one is up and one is down. Now, the small side that is down here, okay? You want to make it parallel to the longest side. Okay, you can see the longest side is standing straight. Now you want this side, this straight line, to stand straight like this. So you need to fold. Can you see that? Okay, don't go this way. No. Okay, you are watch after this line. You want to bring this line to be parallel to this line. Can you see that? Can you see? This way. Okay? You need to practice this over and over and over because you'll be needing flour most of the time. Okay? So when you are at this point, then you pick up your scissors and cut off this end. Take that away. Now, when you cut it off, now you can now open up just once. Can you see this? I hope you can see it. Now, so when we have this, you now pick your pencil. I told you to get pencil. Okay? And make this flower head shape like. Don't worry. I know you might be bothered. I'm not an artist, so how will I draw? Don't worry. Okay, you get used to it. By the time you practice over and over, okay, you get good at it. So when you have this, now you can now trim according to this pattern. Can you see? I'm trimming according to the pattern. Can you see? So that is it. You are there. Then you can start opening. Can you see? See what we have. So as soon as you get this, you can see it's not coming up. So you fold in each leaf. Can you see? Can you see that? So this is basically how to fold your flower. So you watch it over and over again, get used to it, and make sure you produce yours. I'll see you in the next video.